Hello, and welcome to ShipU Stats. In this video, we're going to go over percentiles in JASP. Percentiles will tell us the percentage of people who scored below a particular score on a variable. To calculate percentiles in JASP, we'll go ahead and click on Descriptives, and we'll move over the variable that we're interested in getting percentiles for. When we do that, we have some descriptive statistics that will pop up over here. I'm going to remove some of those just to make things a little bit easier to see, and then we can go ahead and look at our percentiles. First, the most common form of percentiles is usually a quartile, and that will tell us our 25th, 50th, and 75th percentile. We could also break it down into particular groups. So for example, if I wanted 10 groups, I could put 10 groups here, and that would give me my 10th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, and so on percentiles. I can also select a specific percentile. So for example, if I wanted the 61st percentile, I could go ahead and enter a 61st percentile here, and I would get my 61st percentile for that variable right over here. All right, thanks for watching this video on how to calculate percentiles in JASP.